I think if you're going to understand the origins of Nourish Nova Scotia and how we came about, you have to understand how breakfast programs came about here in Nova Scotia. So they've been in existence for about 20 years or more in communities all around the province. But what really made the impact and how Nourish came to be was an investment made by the government in 2005 that really propelled the program in a lot more locations around this province.
Yeah, we've had individual schools doing breakfast programs for a long time. In 2005, the provincial government started to support that through a school breakfast program collectively, where we provided $750,000 on an annual basis to school boards to help support the individual schools in providing school breakfast. In 2005, that started out with 98 schools and has grown to, in 2013, supporting 360 schools.
So what we quickly learned after a few years of having more money to invest in programs is that there was a will and a need and a want to build on that program. So stakeholders came together and initially created the concept of creating something outside of government, but in partnership with government, that could take on that mandate.
We felt like, okay, there needs to be a body in this province where people can make a donation, where we can try to partner with other people on the ground in communities who have great ideas around how to provide more maybe skill development, cooking skills for kids, more programs that will emphasize fruits and vegetables and healthy eating. And so kind of the idea of a Nourish Nova Scotia came from there.
And one of the great things about Nourish Nova Scotia and the initiatives that are happening within the school system in Nova Scotia, which are around the school food and nutrition policy, and embedding healthy eating and active living into the curriculum, those kind of things are actually showing children what it means to be healthy. And we know that healthy children learn better, and that is really what we're looking at. We're looking at enabling our children to be healthier, to grow up healthier, and to contribute to society as healthy adults.
It's establishing this registered charity, Nourish, is one of the number of objectives under the Thrive strategy. And Thrive is really all about increasing opportunities for all Nova Scotians to be more physically active and to eat a healthier diet. We're certainly looking to increase the number of schools with breakfast programs, but also go beyond that. So lunch programs, working with schools to rebuild many of the skills that we've lost in terms of where does our food come from. So developing community gardens or school gardens, initiatives that help students understand the relationships between farms and schools, and that whole where food comes from, building food preparation skills, better understanding of nutrition. All those kind of initiatives are now much more possible with an increased funding opportunities for Nourish.